Hello guys, how are you all doing? I want to believe everybody is kicking fine. Guys, this is the beach where I live. And this is how summer is where we live. My family are they are inside the river. Let me see if I can zoom them. Where are they? Okay. Now I think I can see them. Wow, they are having fun. But I'm not going in there. I'm still looking for the ones that are not inside the river. Everybody is having fun. This is Barbican Beach. Wow. This is the city where we live. Here comes my baby. She's not scared. Why is so scared?
He's with the stuff.
He's where?
He's with our stuff.
Oh, okay.
He can't swim. He didn't bring. Mama.
Say hi to my fans.
What's that? How you doing?
Yeah. Dami, you didn't even bother to say hi.
I thought I said hi. Hello, fans.
Yeah.
Hello, Miss Auntie.
See, everybody's having fun. Woo. Is this what people enter? It's so cold.
I know. It took me time to
Cha. No. I won't.
Oh, I like her.
Me I like her. It's too cold. Very cold. Guys, can you see the fun these guys are having? Wow, everybody's inside the beach, including myself. Ooh. Jimmy, where is your cloth?
Are you sure you want to bring that holiday? I saw one of my friends in my school.
Guys, here are my family. Oh, whoa.
I just know that because of how cold it is.
It's too cold. I'm not warm, oh. Let me put it inside. No, I'm not going to Nana. I'm not going to sit inside this water. Jimmy, say hi to my family. Say hi. Hi. This is King Jimmy.
Just call me my normal name.
Okay, this is Jimmy.
Okay.
Faith, is that you? Do you swim before?
Yeah.
You are learning how to swim now. Be careful, oh. Angel. What's happening here? Because of our dad. Please hold this for me. Don't let it drop.
No problem. That's why Auntie, just put it in the bag, please.
Baby, you want to go in the water?
Yes, ma'am.
Don't put baby like that. Baby can't Mela,
I can swim. You're very good at it. I didn't think so.
I wanted to jump in. Yeah, there you go.
Okay. Guys, say hi to my family.
Hi.
Easy. See? This is Dunamis trying to learn how to swim. Dunamis, relax your butt on the floor. Relax your butt on the floor. Okay? You can see her mouth is shaking. See, don't be afraid. Your mom is with you. I am here. Sit your butt down on the water. See Jimmy. You see Jimmy?
It's actually fun.
You see Jimmy? Look at Sean. Look at Sean.
Auntie, she's cold. We need to let her go back home.
She will not put her butt down. That's the problem.
Oh, Uncle Sari was telling her.
No!
Give it to me.
And she wants to come to the beach. She wants to come to the beach. Sit down. Sit down. Sit. I don't know what is that. I'm perfectly dressed.
And you're perfect dress.
She's wearing dress and dressing as if she's going
Ask them. I dressed like I was coming to the beach before. Ask them.
When that happened?
Ask them. But guys, can you see me in the beach? I'm literally inside the water. Oh my God! Ah, Salubla no go green. Oluwa no go green. Yes, so we are all having fun. Dynamis, you can do it, girl.
Imagine.
Can't you swim?
No, Mom, I wish I could learn to swim.
At least you went to training.
2 years, and that was years ago. I wish I could do it again.
But it's a skill that when you have it, you already have it.
No, but Mom, I only did it for 2 years.
Yes. Sorry, Sean, please stop that flapping of water. You are messing up people's body. Oh my God, Dynamis.
Sorry. Pretend you remember that.
Thank you.
Wow.
Thank you. Thank you. Whoa. Finish. Hey, that's not nice.
What's the science behind this one? Is it that you are not touching the sea?
You will just, when you reach yourself.
Oh, that's beautiful. Next time I come, I'm going to try it.
I think it's no. It's your phone on in the water and scaring you.
No, I can imagine.
Out there to just splash water in your face.
Okay. Whitney.
His shirt was still at the water.
How are you, love?
No, we're gonna do a sometime.
Whose scooter is this?
That's iPhone scooter, I think.
2, 1. See, Angel, look.
Time to build
Wait,
sand
wait.
castle.
That's sand. You need to have wet sand like this.
Big one.
Bag Dynamis. Oh,
Yeah,
body.
look at.
She's going to get water.
She can't get water.
By herself?
Yeah, she's coming. Is that water or
Why did
sand?
nobody go with her?
She passed us on the way.
Why did nobody go with her? We're on a 6.
Don't tell no. Mommy,
Dynamis that can drive.
Mommy, I know all people. Why should I bring it to Angel?
Dynamis that can drive the neighbor's car.
Auntie, I went first.
I can see her.
She's coming.
Just eat the one that is open.
Did you bring wipes?
Don't throw anyone away.
Did you bring wipes? No.
The percentage of people that
Mom,
got their
did you bring
first
wipes?
I know you did.
percentage of people that got their first dose.
That's so funny. How come nobody prepared to come to the beach? Pour water.
Look, he just came to destroy. Angel, see. Angel, look. Angel, look. Angel, look.
Where's your...
What happened? What happened?
They just opened the tin and did not close open. The whole ice cream melted.
What? Where is Peace?
Do we have tissue at least? Baby's
Huh?
nose is drawn.
Went to the shop and
Which of those ones?
we can't get ice cream.
Where is the shop? Okay. Mommy Coco.
Yeah, just go back to
Jimmy, can you hold this for me? I need to go.
Give it to me, I'll hold it.
I need to go back into the water soon. Because I can look at everything.
Well, it's going to be like that all through. Except when you come, we just go with you. I'm going to do our thing. Are you people not ready to go now?
I'm ready to go.
Clean your clothes now.
Yes, Auntie.
No, I'm taking this with me.
Why?
Who's buffing just today?
I'm sure.
Dunamis, wait, now wait. Go with somebody.
She can go and come.
Okay, fine,
I
fine,
just
fine.
looking at her. Is he not here to take
Yeah, okay, go. Huh? No, that's...
Why would you not pour sprinkle for Angel out of everybody?
Sean. Okay.
Can somebody go with Dunamis?
Yeah, we didn't go with Dunamis.
I kind of want to go back as well.
You came with bike.
Yeah. I kind of want to go as well.
Oh yeah, let's go.
Nobody was ready for someone.
Call party.
Me, I'm ready for something. Just air dry.
You're going to have to.
Everything is already dry.
The sun is beaming like a person.
You want to reach your skin though, so you'll have to dry after a few minutes.
See,
You know what?
I went in with my whole body. See, I'm getting dry. I'm not that wet. Look at Auntie now. Is she not dry?
Big sister and little sister.
Like, you know you're cringing. I'm cringing so hard.
Where is your trouser?
When the sand gets into her, right?
It's her nose was running from when she was cold. And it didn't get inside her mouth. There's a lot of corruption there. They then gave him like a snake. So, as long as like you're good.
Where's the Jones bag?
Sorry, Mama. Sorry. I know. Hey, wait, go. Yes. There's not stupid. There's like too many in the other forfeit. Sorry. Like, so let's say you made...
That's hey.
Yes, guys, we are leaving the beach right now. Going towards the community gym. Guys, no, that's where I parked. Yes, guys, we are on our way home. We threw from the beach. It was a fun day. Please, if you have not subscribed, consider to subscribe to this channel. And until I come your way with another video, keep basking in the joy of the Lord.